explain you about electric vehicles. Let's begin with the PPT. Farhan, please, can you share the PPT? Okay. So, electric vehicles presented by Omkar, Aditya, Devendra, Roshan, and Farhan. So, basically, first thing comes to a mind that what is an electric vehicle? So, electric vehicle, short form EV. An electric vehicle is a vehicle that operates on a electric motor instead of an internal combustion motor, which is IC engine, which can be seen in traditional petrol and diesel cars. Okay, so in IC engine, what happens? It generates the combustion or the power through air and fuel mixture, whereas rather than air and fuel mixture in EV, it uses the uh, electric motor to generate the power. So therefore, such vehicles can be most efficient replacement and most successful replacement in the future for traditional vehicles. The causes we should make the changes is that the pollution is increasing day by day, air pollution is increasing, and various kinds of pollution, global warming is increasing. So it is an efficient way to replace the traditional vehicles. So let's understand the types of EVs. So can you show the next slide? Okay, so types of EVs. So there are five types of EVs. First is BEVs, second is FCEVs, third is HEVs, fifth is EREVs. So the downline has similar characteristic. So they are given in the same line. So we will learn more detail about the types in further slides, and it will be explained by my team. So BEVs will be explained by Roshan. So over to you, Roshan.
Thank you, Omkar. Farhan, show me the next slide, please. BEVs, battery electrical vehicles. Battery electric vehicles, also known as pure electric vehicles, are powered entirely by electricity. They don't have a petrol engine, fuel tank or exhaust pipe. मतलब बैटरी इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स पूरी तरह इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पर चलती है। उसमें पेट्रोल इंजन, फ्यूल इंजन ऐसा और डीजल इंजन जैसा कुछ नहीं होता। Well-known electric cars such as Tesla X and Nissan Leaf are BEVs. BEVs exist as buses, motorbikes, scooters, and even boats, as well as cars. टेस्ला एक्स और निसान लीफ जैसी बीईवीज आज दुनिया में मौजूद है। बीईवीज बसेस, मोटरबाइक्स और बोट्स में भी अवेलेबल है। BEVs are plug-in electric vehicles which use an external outlet to charge the battery. Though this can be a traditional outlet, it is recommended that a home charging point is installed as it is much more efficient for charging. BEVs में प्लग इलेक्ट्रिक टाइप जैसी चार्जिंग होती है, मतलब हम जैसे अपने मोबाइल को चार्जिंग करते हैं वैसे। इसके लिए आपको आपको घर पे चार्जिंग स्टेशन इंस्टॉल करना बहुत जरूरी है। इससे आपको आसानी होगी अपने BEVs को चार्ज करने में। These fully electrical vehicles are also have an internal way of charging its batteries using what is called regenerative braking. Regenerative braking uses the effort of slowing the vehicle to recharge the internal battery, making the most of the kinetic and heat energy that most car waste. अगर आप कहीं दूर जाओ और आपकी BEVs की बैटरी खत्म हो जाए तो इसमें इंटरनल चार्जिंग की भी सिस्टम है। उसे रिजनरेटिव ब्रेकिंग कहते हैं। कार की स्लो होने की काइनेटिक एनर्जी को ये चार्जिंग की तरह यूज करती है। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड फरहान। This is the working of regenerative braking system. Let's see the best in BEVs. BEVs are ideal electric cars for short to medium commutes, such as your school run, commute to work, or weekly grocery shop. You will you will be able to use BEVs अब शॉर्ट रन के लिए बहुत अच्छी है। मतलब आपको टाउन 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 में ही घूमना है अपने, तो ये बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी रहेगी आपको स्कूल जाने के लिए और वर्क को जाने के लिए। BEVs for day outings at the weekend, taking family trip or visiting friends. If you are considering BEVs for business, you will be able to make short to medium distance trips. आपको वीकेंड पे कहीं बाहर घूमने जाना हो और फैमिली के साथ बाहर घूमने जाना हो और दोस्तों से मिलने जाना हो, तो आप भी इसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। अगर आप भी इसको एक बिजनेस की तरह देखते हैं तो वो आपको शॉर्ट और मीडियम डिस्टेंस ट्रिप में काम आएंगी। Solar battery electric vehicles includes BMW i3, Renault Zoe, Kia Soul, Nissan Leaf, Tesla Model S, Tesla X, टाटा नेक्सॉन ईवी। ये सारी पॉपुलर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स है। Next type HEV will explained by my friend Omkar.
Okay, so thank you, Roshan. So HEVs, hybrid electrical vehicle. As the name suggests, it is electricity and petrol diesel. It uses both. We can use the we can use either electricity or petrol diesel engine to run the vehicle. So basically, the need of HEVs are that why the basic need has been arrived because as Roshan told that BEVs can be short or medium distance. It cannot be long distance. So we have to. And one more drawback of BEVs is that it cannot generate much power as the traditional vehicles generate. So there was a need of hybrid electric vehicles. So hybrid conventional hybrid electric vehicles are powered by both diesel, petrol, and electricity. With HEVs, they begin us using the electric motor. The conventional power source then kicks in when higher speeds are needed or high weight and vehicle necessity more power is needed. So in short, why we use diesel and petrol engine to generate more power and to work more efficiently than BEVs. Okay, so two motors in a conventional hybrid vehicles are controlled by an internal computer system. This system makes decision on whether to use electric or petrol motors based on which to avoid the most economical, which is most economical. It will then take into account the factor like driving condition, crushing speed, so that your vehicle is always operating the way you need to. So it is operated by the two motors are operated by an internal computer system. It decides and it consider the circumstances such as how much power do you require, what is the surrounding, how is the road type, and decide what type of power and what type of engine you require. So it is more sufficient than the first They first become widely available in 1997 with the release of Toyota Prius. Okay, so next slide, please. So HEVs are best for will be explained by my friend Devendra. So over to you, Devendra.
Thank you, Omkar. Like BEVs, HEVs are also having some of their best qualities. Like BEVs, HEVs are great electric vehicles for short as well as medium journeys. They also can make long journeys. Means HEVs are best for short as well as long journeys. It like getting to and from office, taking the family to the school, or on weekend trips, shopping trips, are all well within the HEV's capability. HEVs are also best for business use, like traveling between two towns or cities. Means business purpose के लिए भी HEV is best है. Making HEV is a good choice as a worker car. Popular some of examples of popular conventional hybrid includes Toyota Camry hybrid, Toyota Prius hybrid, Honda Civic hybrid are some of the popular example of conventional hybrids. Next slide.
Okay, so next slide will be explained by my friend.
PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles (PHEV) have a very says what it does name, like the BEVs. The electric battery can be charged using an external charger. मतलब हम एक एक्सटर्नल चार्जर भी यूज कर सकते हैं PHEV कार्स को चार्ज करने के लिए. It uses conventional fuels for its secondary motor. In place of चार्जर हमें सेकेंडरी मोटर के लिए कन्वेंशनल फ्यूल्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ये एडवांटेज है PHEV का. In fact, because of the PHEVs have been found to save up to 60% in energy cost compared to other hybrids. एनर्जी कॉस्ट 60% सेव हो जाते हैं PHEV में than other hybrids. One way in which PHEVs differ from the conventional hybrids is that since they use an external charger for the electric motor, they are able to have zero emissions range. PHEVs के emission range zero है. A CO2 or less is important factor in making sure that vehicles, especially cars, are greener. The battery for PHEV is perhaps unsurprisingly significantly smaller than BEVs, which means that although it is capable of making shorter journeys on electric power, the conventional combustion engine is needed for longer trips. And or a different way PHEVs differ from the standard hybrid is that they can only travel at low speed for short distance के लिए ये low speed पे travel कर सकते हैं. Before the conventional engine activates with PHEVs, at least some models, they are able to travel for up to 40 miles before gas power is needed. जब भी गैस पावर नीडेड होगी उससे पहले 40 माइल्स तक PHEVs ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं. This means that driving a PHEV would suit those who are driving mostly in country roads or in between villages rather than on motorways or long journeys. ये लॉन्ग जर्नीज के लिए नहीं, शॉर्ट कंट्री रोड्स के लिए बेस्ट है if they want to make the most of electric power. Some popular PHEVs are Chevrolet Volt, Ford Fusion Energy, Mercedes GLE 550E, Mini Cooper SE Countryman, Audi A3 e-tron, BMW X5 xDrive E40E, and here are some photos of PHEV. Further, extended range electric vehicle will be explained.
Hello, thank you, Farhan. EREVs, extended range electric vehicle, which runs on which can run off electricity as well as petrol or diesel engine. First point, EREVs, extended range electric vehicles, have a considerable range of power sources to choose from, which also means that depending on the model of EREV, how and when it uses them varies widely. For example, the Toyota Prius favors its petrol engine over electric power. We can sum up that electric EREVs have various options to choose from, like electric power and the conventional type of engine. Second point, EREVs are powered with a conventional engine, a plug-in battery pack, and an electric motor. This combination aims to allow these vehicles to complete most of the journeys with the electric power, but with the combustion engine as a backup. In reality, how effective this comes down to the model, with some offering a range of 125 miles on pure electric power. Due to the reliance on electricity, EREVs can have less than 20 gram per kilometer of carbon dioxide emission. To put this in a perspective, the current EU target for vehicles is 95 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometer, meaning EREVs are exceeding that goal. That means EREVs EREVs is a very efficient replacement for conventional type of engine cars. Second slide, please. In terms of operation, these vehicles will make the most of electric power and then switch to the conventional engine when more power or speed is needed, or the battery runs out of power. We can say that if these vehicles can run on electricity till the battery is dead or more power is needed, then it shifts from electric power to the conventional engine. The key difference between EREVs and PHEVs is that the wheels are always driven by the electric motor in EREVs, and EREVs use a much smaller engine than PHEVs. Well-known EREVs examples include BMW i3, BMW i8, Chevrolet Volt, and Vauxhall Ampera. Next slide, please. Here we can see a car which have both the engines, electric power as well as a conventional type of engine which can run on petrol or diesel. Next slide, please. Next slide will be explained by my colleague Omkar. Over to you, Omkar.
Okay, thank you, Aditya. So FCEV. So fuel cell electric vehicles, also called as hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, have a fuel cell stack that use hydrogen to create the electricity needed to power the wheels of the vehicles, not unlike the ERVs. So in this type of EVs, hydrogen cells are used to power generate the electricity needed to the vehicle. So interestingly, FCEVs are hybrids, but not in the way we might accept. They do not use an internal combustion engine, which is they do not use IC engine. Rather than they uses a battery or an ultra capacitor and a fuel cell. The fuel cell is an electrochemical device that, unlike is in a pure electrical car battery, does not need charging. Rather than the fuel produce electricity and heat with the water produced at the tailpipe, it is able to generate the power for as long as there is a steady supply of hydrogen. It means that it does not need it charging such as EVs, BEVs. So it can regenerate and it can charge itself until that he gets the battery gets steady supply of hydrogen. So in short, we have to fuel the fuel for this type of EVs are hydrogen gas. So we need to supply the hydrogen gas into it. So next slide, please. Since fuel cell electric vehicles are unchanged, you can refill them at refilling station instead of petrol, though you have to refill with hydrogen. As I told you before, the fuel we needed is hydrogen gas. Okay, so it takes between 3 to 5 minutes to refuel it, so which is much shorter than charging time for even the fastest charging point for BEVs. They have a range of 300 miles between refilling, which means that they utilize electric power without limiting your travel distance like many electrical vehicles. Okay, so it's the most convenient type of EVs, so we can use. It takes only 3 to 5 minutes to refill the petrol or the tank, so which is much shorter as compared to BEVs. So their range is between 300 miles between their refills, which means that we can utilize the vehicles very efficiently. But the drawback is that it's most expensive type of vehicle. It's most expensive type of electric vehicle. So next point, please. Well-known fuel cell electric vehicle includes Honda FX Clarity, Hyundai Nexon, Mercedes-Benz F-Cell, Reverse Simple RAS, Toyota Mirai. So next slide. So this is much for this is this so in this presentation we explain what are EVs, what are types of EVs, and their definition and their example. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.